din kayo. Tama? That is why, a while ago, I shared to you, we have the two kinds of training, the leadership training and the leadership summit. From all of you, mga kaibigan, that we have a lot of plans for you. Okay ba yun, mga kaibigan? Yes. And of course, mga kaibigan, do not listen, watch, or mingle to anyone, anything that is negative.
Yes.
Diba? Iwasan mo ang tingnan mo katabi mo, mukha bang negative yan?
Hindi naman doon.
My wife.
Hindi doon.
My wife, whom I love so dearly, meron kaming usapan sa bahay in our marriage. No negative talks. Literally. No negative talks. Bakit? Kasi unang-una mga kaibigan, unang-una we don't use the word negative in our house, in our home, in our marriage. We don't use the word problem. We use the word challenge. Sabi, alam, may konti tayong challenge. Ganyan. Tapos, kung meron man kaming challenge, or sabi, hindi, para mag-gets yun muna. Kung meron kaming konting problema, hindi namin pinag-usapan para pag-usapan. Pinag-usapan namin yung para gawa ng solusyon. We do not dwell on problems. Because, di ba minsan, ganito minsan, mapalalaki o babae. Pag broken-hearted, etong gusto sa atin, pinag-usapan. Kwento mo sa barkad, kwento kay best friend, ikaw kwento sa kapitbahay, ikaw kwento sa kapitbahay, kinento lahat. Guess what? The more you talk about it, you are only creating a bigger flame. Nagets nyo? Kasi parati pinag-usapan, hindi sila ba pag pinag-usapan niya para mawala na agad? Pwede yun. Kaya lang ang nangyari, nagharap ka ng gusto mo sabihan, gusto mo, misery loves company. Malungkot ako, iniwan ako, ikaw, iniwan mo. Mag-break tayo ng grupo, Broken Hearts Club. Diba? So what you do, every time you talk about it, para saan ganito? Broken hearted ka, masama loob, then we talk about it. After you talk about it, that's it, kaput, that's it, no more. Tapos na. Narilis mo na eh. Hindi, paulit-ulit ka, nag-dwell ka doon. Kapatid, move on. Personally kami, I do not watch horror movies. Negative. No. I do not watch horror movies. Why? Nakakatakot. Madalas ako out of town. Madalas ako out of the country. Nasa hotel, mag-isa lang ako. Imagine mo, manood ako ng mga horror movies. Diba? Nakakatakot kaya yun. One time, sabi ko, hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Mind over matter. To prove my point, I watched The Ring. Ano The Ring? Diba may Ring 1, 2, tapos 0? O, nanood ko ng 0. Pag nood ko ng Ring 0, sabi ko, kaya ko to. Nanood ako. 3 a.m. in the morning. Kung sa kwarto ko, nakaset up ako, home theater, mag-isa lang ako. Nakabukas ang aircon, papayang ilaw, malakas ang music ko, malakas ang sounds, at malaki ang TV ko. Nanood ako. Habang nanood, in the middle, lumalabas na siya sa takot na yan. Natakot ako. Ginawa ko, binuksan ko na yung ilaw kasi natakot ako eh. Hindi ko pa rin kaya, nakabukas na, tinanggal ko na yung pati yung sound. Video na lang. Hindi ko pa rin talaga kaya. Alam mo, nangyari ba after watching it, guess what? 2 weeks, natulog ako sa kwarto nila mama. Pinaka ako nun eh. Kasi bakit? What you feed in your mind becomes stronger. What you start in your mind becomes weaker. So if you keep on feeding negative, it becomes stronger. And if you start the positive becomes weaker. So sa akin mga kaibigan, I do not like to put anything that is negative. Negative in, negative out. Positive in, positive out. So I only want to put positive. I watch only comedy. I only watch action, science fiction, detective story, ganyan. Pero ayokong nanonood ng tragedy. Yung pag natawa sa movie, malungkot ka, wala ka. I don't like that. Gusto ko yung happy ending. So I like watching mga Adam Sandler, napanood niyo ba yung That's My Boy, Adam Sandler? I suggest you watch, it's a very funny movie, masaya. Yung Hangover, Yes. Yes, those are very, very happy thoughts. Mga inspirational movie, yung The Pistol, Coach Carter, Facing the Giant, Flywheel, those are yung Pursuit of Happiness. Well, for me, personally, it's a nice movie, pero parang feeling mo kayo, so, ang haba ng depression niya, kung kailan masaya, the end. So, parang mas nag-ibabaw sa akin yung kalungkutan dun eh. So, ayoko nung ganun. Gusto ko yung masaya. Well, bakit? Kasi, listen, whether you like it or not, we are in sales. And in sales, you need a lot of energy. So for you to have energy, you have to be excited. You cannot be excited kung malungkot ka. That is for me. It's up to you if you want to follow that one. But I believe, stay away from negative people. Last, stay away from people from other company. Do not look, do not glimpse, nor try to listen. Please, do not. Boy, sir, kaya ko nga inaalam para maging handa. Ano maging handa? Handain kaya kita dyan. Kapatid, ulitin ko. Parang ganito yan. Kung may girlfriend ka na, huwag ka pa ng girlfriend ng iba. I-guess nyo? Stick to one. Sir, parang malaman namin kung ano mas maganda. Wala na mas maganda. Royal na yun.
Yes!
Mga kaibigan, in the world of the Philippine network marketing industry, we are the only company na may sariling building, 1,700 square meter na lote. 5-story. Pilan nyo almost 10,000 square meter of working area. Tayo may-ari ng lote, tayo may-ari ng building. Worth almost 300 to 500 million pesos. Kapatid, kung ganyan kalaki ang bahay mo, successful ka ba?
Yes!
Ano pa nga hanapin mo? Royal ka na!
Yes!
Sasabihin nga ba, hindi, mas mabilis dito. Kapatid, lahat sasabihin mabilis. Nagets nyo? Mga kaibigan, ulit-ulitin ko lang to. Do not try to compare because you will be confused. Don't attempt to look, listen. Listen, kasi usapan namin, pag I listen to his marketing plan, he will listen to my marketing plan. Listen, kasi gusto ko itong reportin eh. Guess what? Kung gusto ko siyang reportin, gusto ko rin niya reportin. Pareho lang yun, mag-aaway lang kayo. Boy, do you know why I was able to stay this long in the industry? Because I never look. Hindi glimpse, never. I don't want, kasi makukonfuse ako eh. Hello? Yes. So pag may nagtatanong sa'yo, sige, pakikinggan ko yung royal mo. Tingnan mo dito sa akin. Sabi, huwag na. Why? Royalista. This is a royalista. I am not for sale. Sabi mo, I am not for sale. Sabi mo sa kanila mo, I am not for sale.
Not for sale.
Sa kabila, I am not for sale.
I am not for sale.
So remember that, kapatid. Remember that. Are we clear?
Yes.
And last, guard your thought. Talk to yourself. Don't listen. Ha? Ano yan? Guard your thoughts. So, mga kaibigan, madalas kasi, di ba, ang utak natin, sinasabi ng utak natin,
hindi mo kaya yan. Mahirap yan. Hindi darating ang prospect mo. Indian ka na. Habang buhay, dukha ka.
be careful what you think. Talk to yourself. Don't listen. Tell yourself, kaya ko to. Mayayaman ako. Aasenso ako. Successful ako. Keep on saying that, ladies and gentlemen. Keep on saying that. Because mga kaibigan, always remember, what you feed in your mind becomes stronger. Are we clear?
Yes.
Decide in yourself that you want to do one-on-one. Decide to yourself that you want to become successful.
Yes.
Guys, sa pamilya kasi namin, wala pang yumayaman. Sa pamilya namin, hey guys, I'm not yet finished. I'm not kidding, I'm not yet finished. The PowerPoint is finished, but I'm not yet finished. You want more?
Yes.
Huwag ka lang, huwag mo lang kayo mag-empake. I'm not yet finished. Decide that you want to be successful. Decide, mga kaibigan, in your family, kung wala pang umaasenso, ikaw ang unang aasenso. For more than 2,000 years, there was a saying that a man, ang tao, cannot run ng 1 mile in 4 minutes. Alam niyo ba ang isang milya? 1.6 kilometer. Base sa pag-aaral, mga kaibigan, ang tao daw hindi kayang tumakbo ng 1 milya sa loob ng 4 na minuto. Naintindihan ito? Yes. Bakit? Kasi raw, ang tao, hindi katulad ng hayop. Pag tumakbo, 4 ang paa ng hayop. At ang hayop, pag tumatakbo, nakadapa. Hindi katulad tao, pag tumatakbo, nakatayo. So pag nakatayo raw ang tao, meron siyang wind resistance. Okay? Tapos ang tao, 2 lang daw paa. Ang hayop, 4. And because of that, mga kaibigan, ang tao hindi kaya tumakbo ng 4 na minuto. Sa loob ng 4 na minuto ng 1 milya. Nagets nyo? Mga kaibigan, may kodigo ako. I have to read this properly. There was a man named Roger Bannister. You can Google this, but again, his name is Roger Bannister. On May 6, 1954, Roger Bannister broke the 4-minute mark. He broke it. Why? He ran 1 mile in 3 minutes, 59 seconds, 59.4 seconds. He ran the 1 mile in 3 minutes, 59 seconds. Na-break niya yung 4-minute mark. Mga kaibigan, listen to this ha. Sa loob ng 2,000 years, simula ginawa si Eva at Adan. Simula ginawa sila Eva at Adan, walang taong nakakatakbo ng 4 na minuto sa 1 milya. Wala. At ang daming sabi, hindi kaya yan, imposible yan. Guess what? May 6, 1954, may nag-break. At nung may nag-break, guess what? Ulitin ko ha. For the first time, after more than 2,000 years, may nakapag-break. The best part, the following year, 1955, 37 people broke the record. Ulitin ko, for 2,000 years, walang nakakatakbo ng ganyang kabilis. 1954, may nakatakbo, Roger Bannister. After may nakagawa, the following year, may nakagawa ulit, 37 people naman. Mas marami na. At ngayon, mga kaibigan, normal na. In 1999, ito ang pinakabilis na nakatakbo. His name is Hikam El Guruj, 24 years old. Alam mo, tinakbo niya? 1 mile. Tinakbo niya 3 minutes and 43 seconds lang. Now, what is my point? Number 1, my point is this. For so many years, people believe it is impossible. Pero nung may naka-break na, then the paradigm was broken. When it was broken, people believe now, kaya pala. At dahil kaya pala, marami na nakakagawa. Ladies and gentlemen, in our life, in our ancestries, in our family, kung feeling mo, wala pang yumayaman, imposible ba yumaman sa pamilya natin. But if you believe, you can be the Roger Bannister in your family.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want all of you to step up. Decide that you will be the first. They may not be the first, but guess what? They will be the last. They will be the last person to be poor in your family because you will now be the Roger Bannister. You will be the first to become very, very wealthy in your family. And because you do that, it will happen here. It will happen in Royal.